Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a night glass skincare routine, and yes, this is for all my dry skin friends. So if this video is what you're looking for, then stay tuned. Alrighty, so first off we're going to go ahead and rinse our face, and with this cleanser for my dry skin friends, we're going to be using a hydrating gentle cleanser. So the good thing about this cleanser is that you're able to use this over your eyelids and over your makeup as well if you wanted to, but I usually just use it on its own. And yes, it is a pump, so I would just do one pump and it just emulsify into my hands and start cleaning and rubbing it onto my face, not really harshly, but just circular motions and like a medium kind of touch to my face. Okay, so step 2 is exfoliation, but sadly I'm not going to be using the exfoliation in this video because I already did a dermaplane the other day, so I'm gonna have to skip this one and I'll talk more about it in another video. Okay, so make sure to grab a towel and start to pat dry your face for the next step. So make sure not to rub it, just pat and dry. Step 3, we're going to be using a toner. Now this toner here, it is a spritz toner and it is made from Dermatologist. Since you guys, some of you may or may not know about this brand, but I will talk more about it in another video. And then we have option number 2, which is the water toner. This one you just pour it into your hand, emulsify it into your hand and start patting it onto your face. So for toners, let's talk about toners. So the reason why we use toners is because they help balance our pH levels, meaning, for example, if I have beige skin tone, right, but if a part of my face has a little bit of yellow, just a little blot anywhere on my face, that is what this toner is going to do. It's going to take a while for the whole process to work, but with this toner, it's going to help rebalance that skin pigmentation to create it to be the same level that it should be. So the next step that I'm going to do is moisturize. Moisturizers are a #1 thing that you should use in your skincare regimen, and this also comes with a spoon. And this structure of the moisturizer here is a jelly thick texture, and this is so good for your skin that your skin will suck it up and feel so smooth and baby butt like feel on your face. And you just use like about this much amount onto your hand, and I like to mix it in with my Claire's. So the Claire's, this one here is just it's a serum. It has vitamin C in it, so it helps to kind of like softly get rid of the brown spots on your face, which is a #1 really good thing. So that's all we want to get rid of, right? Those brown spots. Then you use this, and also what is really nice about it is it's a droplet. And yes, you can use the vitamin C by itself after using the vitamin E, but if you use the vitamin C by itself, it will cause a little stinging sensation, so which is also why you mix it. So mixing it will help the stinging sensation to kind of go away, so you won't really feel it onto your skin, which is what I'm doing here. So for this next step, you guys are probably like, why are you applying to your neck and your chest? Why? Is because these areas get pretty dry. So just using a little bit of moisturizer left over from what I had onto my face will help soothe these areas. So now onto the facial oil. Facial oils from Botanics. They are 100% guarantee organic. And if you have not heard of Botanics, they are so good. They are 100% organic. All their products actually are 100% organic, but they do have some stuff that aren't organic, but everything else literally is organic though. You just got to check them out. They're really good. I've been using their product for years and years. Am I sponsored by them? No, but maybe one day. And did you know that rosehip, literally rosehip, is really good for dry skin? If your skin sucks this up, it's going to love you. You may be asking, why facial oil? But girl, did you know? Dry face lacks oil? Yes, it does. Get yourself one and girl, it will change your game. Here we have our Crow Feet eye cream from ROC. But sadly, I'm not going to be using this one because my eyes don't really need it at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and skip that. So moving on to the CeraVe Healing Ointment. And yes, you're probably like, why am I using CeraVe? What's wrong with you? That's more for like, you know, just for your hands and stuff. But girl, you know, you can use it on your face. You can even use it on your lips. So for this product here, I'm just going to use just about this much amount and put it onto my finger. I'm just going to go ahead and emulsify it onto my hands as well and apply it onto my face. So for this, I'm using it as a moisturizer. And yes, you can use it as a moisturizer. It is so good for your skin. Your skin is going to love you. So with this, it just seals everything. Literally seals everything and give you that glass look. Literally gives you that glass look you're looking for. So that completes everything, and here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!